Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I haven't been on here for a while and I apologize for that. It will get better. I plan on posting a lot more. And I'm really excited. I'm really excited to start things, but I really want you guys to bear with me. Let me know if you want a look on my eyes, and I will totally do that for you guys, but I want you guys to bear with me because I don't have the best lighting, I don't have the best camera, I don't have the best editing skills, but it's gonna take time for me to get used to it and get in the grind of it. And I hope you guys watch me glow up, but let's get started with the video. Today, what I would usually do, like if I'm trying to beat that face, I already did my eyes, but I'm basically gonna do the rest of my face for you guys and kind of show you, like, if I'm going out, like, I'm gonna beat it, you know? Alright, so I'm gonna get started. First off, I'm gonna take a Smashbox primer in Photo Finish. It's one of my faves. Also, I'm really digging this, like, sunset eye. If you guys want a tutorial, just let me know in the comments. I got you, boo. Next, I'm going to take Fenty Beauty and NARS Radiant Long Wearing Concealer. Radiant Long Wearing Concealer. Radiant Long Wearing Concealer. One's a little bit more lightweight. This gives me a little bit more coverage. I know it's weird, but, like, I'm also in between these colors, and they work out pretty well together. So I'm actually going to take like 2 pumps and just maybe like 1.5 of a pump. Actually, I really probably don't need that much. We'll figure it out. Anyway, then I'm going to dop it. Bitch, what? I'm going to dab it all over my face. And then blend it onto your neck, because if you don't, girl, what is you doing? Girl, what is you doing? So then I'm going to take a Sigma Angled Kabuki. Looks like this. It's amazing to blend out foundation, to me, at least. Don't get me wrong, sometimes I'll fuck with a beauty blender. Lately, I've been just really digging this. Ask, like, is it easier to do makeup on yourself, other people? Honestly, it's easier to do it on myself because, like, I know how to move while I'm doing it. Like, I know how to move my brows and stuff while I'm doing them. I know how to turn my head and stuff. It's just a little bit more difficult whenever somebody doesn't know how you do your makeup, you know? So right after I get done doing my foundations, I'm going to do the Naked Skin Concealer. And I wear the shade Fair Warm, which is really light for me, but I really like to have a, like, lighter areas. I like them to really pop. And then I just kind of draw like a little right there. And then I'm gonna bring that to the corners of my mouth. You don't need a ton because this stuff's really good. It, like, a little bit goes a long way. So then I'm going to take my beauty blender and I'm going to just blend. I always blend, like, literally from the top to the bottom. I don't know why. That's just, like, I can't do it, like, chin and up. It's not my thing right now. And I always do my eyes last just so they can get that little extra, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna do it like right under my wing to really like accentuate it and like bring it to the side of my nose. And then use the other side of the beauty blender to kind of just blend it all out. So then I'm gonna set it. I'm gonna bake a little bit. I'm gonna take this sponge and put it right under my eyes. Oh, I'm so sorry. This is the Laura Mercier setting powder, or the powder. It's literally my favorite thing in the whole entire world. Like, I've tried a lot of different highlights. I've used a lot of different setting powders, and nothing can compare to this one, girl. None. At all. Okay, and then right after I set it, I'm going to go in with a bronzer, and I'm going to take the Hoola bronzer from Benefit. I really like this stuff. It's a perfect shade, but I'm going to do little swirling motions. And then I'm going to circle it around. Okay, so then I'm going to take a like brush kind of like this, and I'm going to dip it into the same, and I'm going to contour like right below my lip, and then I'm going to do it like on my nose. Then I'm going to go back in with the setting powder and carve out my cheekbones. What I usually do is I take it right like where my corner of my lip starts. I don't know why this ain't picking up my product. Alright. Okay, so then I'm going to next I'm gonna dust it all off with this like fluffy brush from Bare Minerals, and I'm just going to dust it all away. So then I'm going to complete my under eye. I'm going to add some mascara to the lower lash line. Then, so first I'm going to take this little Smashbox Halo Highlighting Wand. And I'm just going to kind of press it everywhere I want highlighted. And then I always kind of buff it out with my fingers. I feel like that's the easiest way. Okay, and then I'm going to add blush. And the blush that I am using is the Tarte Party. I love this stuff. Literally amazing. So I'm going to focus that on the apples of my cheeks. Then I'm going to add this palette from Anastasia Glowing Kit. And I'm going to take my, it's a little e.l.f. brush, but it's like works great for putting on highlight. And I think I'm going to go with Hot Sand. I might mix these two together, which is Hot Sand and Golden Dawn. But we'll see. I'm going to do Golden Dawn first. Okay, yeah, it definitely needs Hot Sand, too. Yes, that's what I was waiting for. That looks fire.
Yes, queen. Look at it.
I freaking love makeup, dude. Like, you have no idea. I actually might think, I think I'm gonna darken up my blush a little bit. I know, it's so scandalous. I'm actually gonna use more of a peachy tone, like on top of it, just so, because it gives me more like rosy. So I'm gonna add Milani's Bellissimo Bronze Baked Powder Blush. I'm not sure if they still sell it, but I really do like it. Yes, that like made it perfect. I'm gonna do my lips off camera and then I'll show you guys the full deal. Okay, so this is the finished look. Hope you guys dig it. If you guys really like my videos, subscribe. I'm going to put all of my social media in the down bar. You guys can follow me on all that. I am planning on making videos. I know I've said it before, but I'm planning on making videos way more for you guys because why not? I'm trying to pursue my dreams. I'm trying to do me right now. So, also I want to show you guys everything that I learn throughout the journey. So, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you later.